Okay, beautiful people. I have here with me this amazing personality, gorgeous, beautiful Mrs. Femi Adekoya, special guest. Good afternoon, ma. Can we meet you, please?
You already introduced me. So my name is Femi Adekoya, and I run the Printhaven by KFA.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, ma. How did you hear about the Technology Global Demo Open House?
Um, I think I belong to several WhatsApp groups that you guys belong to as well. So yes, that's where we got the information from.
Okay, well, what are your expectations for the event today?
Just to learn more about different print processes and also to board creativity. So when you see other people and what they're doing, you're able to have more creative juices. Yeah.
Okay, so what are you looking forward to take out from this event?
Um, as I said earlier, learn, learn, see what the possibilities are outside of what you're doing already. See what you can add to the business and what value you can add to your clients.
Okay, thank you very much, ma. Did you get to meet Alex and the
I
Ibejis?
did. Very, very important personalities.
What do you
They
think
were
about?
very well groomed and they showed me, obviously, the possibilities. You guys displayed very well what the possibilities are and the differences between a few of the printing processes. So, yes, so the direct to film and the direct to garment. I actually asked a question and I missed it. I couldn't tell the difference between the two printing processes because it was the same machine, the same ink, the same design, but a different printing process. So, that was interesting.
Awesome. Thank you very much, ma, for coming out today.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.